Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with another tune-up report for John in Texas on the new RCI 99N4. John, we got it ready to go for you, bud. You wanted to tune alignment. We took care of that as well as conversion. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 25 all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 125. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 215 bird. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. And 500 watt in the corner. Gonna have to learn not to run the 500 watt slug with these rigs after you set them up. Gonna be need me a needle. 1000 watt slug. Hello. About 580, 590. And we're good to go. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. Put on peak. Turn the RF power all the way down. So there's a 25 watt slug. 1000 watt slug. Hello. Still got the same 590 PEP at 25 watts. So it'll drive a 16 pill rather nicely. All right, John's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bop bop.